Check it out. First thing we gotta do is get the Kamado Joe rolling. Add some charcoal and light it up. For smoke, I'm using pecan and mesquite with some whiskey barrel pellets. For this cook, we want to get this dome up to around 250. We're going to open the top vent halfway and the bottom vent about an inch. While the Joe heats up, let's make our rub. We'll start with a little more than a quarter cup each of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half tablespoon of onion powder, and 2 heaping tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using our Butzer Smokin' Cherry Habanero. Mix it all up and set it aside, because now it's time to trim our pork butt. This is how I like to do it. Start by removing most of the fat cap on the one side. There's enough fat inside this thing, you don't need all of it. You're going to want to also take the silver skin off from underneath the fat. This won't cook down and it'll be terrible to chew on later. Now just above the bone you'll find a fat vein that runs between 2 muscles. I like to cut into there and remove all the silver skin and fat in between. Get as much of that stuff out as you can. Yeah, don't do that. That was a mistake. Next, we gotta rub the meat with a binder so our rub sticks. I like to use golden mustard. Next, we pour on as much rub as we can get to stick. Try to get as much surface area covered as you can. The more rub, the better it is. Pick up as much much seasoning from the cutting board as you can and let it rest to let those flavors soak in. The Kamado's up to around 200 and we got a nice clean smoke rolling off. It's time to add our meat. A water pan isn't necessary in a Kamado, but I like to do it that way. Now, all we do is wait. We'll check on it in about 2 hours. After 2 hours, the Kamado's holding strong at around 265. Let's open it up and check out our progress. It's coming along, but it's not quite there yet. We're ready to wrap. And watch out, this butt's hot. I like to use 2 layers of foil folded up so it collects all the dripping while it finishes. Wrap it as tight as you can and add a 3rd piece of foil over the top so no moisture escapes. Put it back over the coals for another 2 hours. Six hours in, and our meat is probe tender. No resistance whatsoever. The smell is incredible, but we still gotta make sure she rests. At least 45 minutes. Careful ripping into this. There should be a decent amount of drippings left in the bottom of the foil. Make sure you don't spill them. Should pull out and it should tear with little to no effort. Now we can steal a taste. Or 2. step is to pour those drippings back on the pile so it can be reabsorbed into the meat. Pulled Boston butt is truly outstanding. I've never had anything as good as this anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Kamado Go.